Hi, I'm Salve Marfil. I'm 37 years old from Legazpi City, Philippines. I am a mother of four kids. I am an undergraduate of Bachelor's of Science in Nursing. Um, I was a babysitter and a housekeeper before 2015 up to 2017, Finnish contract. My duties and responsibilities as a nanny is I took care of a newborn baby until he reached up to 2 years old. He also has a eldest son where I sent him to school and take care also this 4 years old baby. I also uh, do the laundry, ironing, cleaning the house if the baby is with her parents or they are asleep. After my contract in Kuwait, I also work as an front desk associate in a hotel here in my province. Now I am currently working as a freelance event organizer here in my province also. But I want to go abroad again because I want to pay the college education of my children. I hope you choose me as your nanny or housekeeper, and I promise to do my job the best I can be. Thank you.